Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I will review a very interesting project called DeFi Yield Protocol. I really like the project concept. Here in this project you have to simply provide the liquidity to the pool and against that you will earn DYP tokens. With that in this project you will get anti-manipulation feature. So what is that? I will explain all the things in this video. So make sure to check the whole video and let's get started. So here we are on the website of dyp.finance. You will get all the project related links in the description. So if you want to check, you can check them all one by one. So if we talk about the website, first here you will get the notification about their CrowdSale whitelist application. You can see here it is written DeFi Yield Protocol Community CrowdSale whitelist application form is live. If you click on the subscribe button, you will redirect it to the Google Forms. And if you want to take part in this, you have to simply fill this form. You can see here it is written, thank you for your interest in joining the DeFi Yield Protocol Community CrowdSale whitelist. The minimum contribution amount is 0.5 ETH and the maximum contribution amount is 100 ETH. Please fill in the details below so that you will be among the first to be notified when the CrowdSale goes live. And here you can see CrowdSale token price 1 DYP equal to 2 USD. Uniswap listing price will be 1 DYP equal to 2.5 USD. So if you want to buy their tokens, you simply fill this form. So now let's get back to the website. So now let's talk about the project. Here it is written DeFi Yield Farming with automated vaults combined with Ethereum mining pool. The DeFi Yield protocol is developing a platform that allows anyone to provide liquidity and to be rewarded with DYP tokens. At the same time maintaining both token price stability and secure and simplified DeFi for end users. So as I told you, here you have to provide the liquidity and you can earn DYP tokens, and at the same time you will also get the feature of anti-manipulation. So let's check out how you will get the DYP tokens rewards and how this anti-manipulation feature works. So now I am taking you to the Medium article and let's check out how this project works. Here you can check, here it is written DYP is a fully developed and backed by an Ethereum mining farm with a 35 gigahertz per second hash rate. What does this exactly mean? Based on Ethereum mining difficulty and gas price, we earn between 67 Ethereum to 150 Ethereum every month. We have invested more than $1 million in our mining farm to ensure that we understand the needs of the community, and we are here for long-term goals. All earning from our mining activity go to DYP directly. You can check the following Ethereum miner address to ensure that DYP token was created by using ethminer.dyp.finance. If you click on this, you will be redirected to their website, and here you will get all the details about their mining capacity and all. If you click on this address, you will be redirected to etherchain.org, and here you will get all the data about the project. Here you can check the name is written DeFi Yield Protocol, and you also can check their balances. So let's get back to the website. If you scroll down, here you will get one example of SushiSwap. Here it is written, everyone has heard of Uniswap and SushiSwap. SushiSwap is a fork of Uniswap that rewards users with a native token called Sushi. The problem is that the big liquidity providers called whales are getting crazy rewards in Sushi in a short time, and they all sell the tokens they get for free. Thus the price decreases and it affects the small liquidity providers. In some cases, investor lost more than 50% in less than 24 hours. So this was the scenario about SushiSwap. If you get down, here it is written how is DYP different and why this cannot happen if you choose DYP to provide your liquidity. To reduce the risk of DYP price volatility, all reward pools are automatically converted from DYP to ETH by smart contract at 00 UTC, and ETH is distributed as a reward to the liquidity provider. Maintaining token price stability, the smart contract will automatically attempt to convert 276,480 DYP to ETH every day 00 UTC. If the DYP price is affected by more than 2.5%, then the maximum DYP amount that does not affect the price will be swapped to ETH, with the remaining amount distributed in the next day reward. After 7 days, if we still have undistributed DYP rewards, the DeFi Yield Protocol governance will vote on whether the remaining DYP will be distributed to the token holders or burned. So now you will get idea how DYP works and how their anti-manipulation feature works. So now let's get back to the website. So now let's check their other options. Here you will get the stake option. If you click on this, you will see here it is written DYP liquidity mining. Deposit your liquidity provided tokens to receive DYP, the DeFi Yield Protocol governance token. In order to lower the risk of DYP price volatility, all pool rewards are automatically converted from DYP to ETH by the smart contract at 00 UTC, and ETH is distributed as a reward to the liquidity provider. And if you scroll down, here you will get the participating pool. Here you will get different pools like DYP ETH, DYP USDC, DYP USDT and DYP WBTC. And in all the pool rate will be 69120 DYP per day. So this is how the staking will be work. And then if you talk about the tokenomics, here you will get that tokenomics. Here you will get their contract address. And then if you talk about the DYP allocation, 30 million DYP has been minted at Genesis and will become accessible over the course of 2 years. The 2-year allocation is as follows: 75.30% for DeFi Yield protocol community members, around 16.5 million DYP distributed for pool rewards over the next 60 days, 5 million DYP distributed over the next 60 to 120 days to Ethereum mining pool, 1 million DYP locked for 1 year to Uniswap liquidity on token launch. So in this way they have allocated DYP tokens. And then lastly, let's check out their roadmap. If we talk about the roadmap, here you will get the roadmap overview of 2020 and 2021. Here you can check what they have done in Q3 2020 and then upcoming Q4, Q1 2021 what they will done, that you can check here. Here you can see on Q4 they have main focus on liquidity lock, Uniswap listing DYP in other exchanges, launch DYP governance, launch DYP referrals. And then if we talk about the Q1 2021, their main focus will be launch Ethereum mining pool and yield mining for miners, launch DYP on vault, partnerships, DYP apps development. So this is the basically roadmap of their 2020 and 2021. So now I am going back to the home page. So this is all about DeFi Yield protocol project. If you like the project, if you like the concept and if you want to buy the token, then simply fill this CrowdSale whitelist application form and you will get all the details notified when the CrowdSale goes live.